Okay, the recording has started. So Raj, so where are we?
Just a minute.
I think
We completed operations in the last class.
yeah, we are entering into the input and output statements.
Hmm. So yes, until here we completed.
Yeah. So this is the another important topic: input and output statements. Just hold a minute. Uh, just please read document. For now, I will join in a
Okay.
minute.
Okay.
So what do you understand by that?
Uh, let me- like a directly runtime, we give the input.
Yeah, that's true. That's it.
Hmm.
Whole purpose of this chapter. That's it. We give statements for runtime. That's it.
Okay, the values in the runtime, not we won't define in the start in the program
Starting,
itself.
yeah, that's it. The main purpose of this that one
Mhm.
only actually.
Okay.
So the first one is the raw input. I don't know whether this one still exists or not, but just try it. The
Okay.
second one is the latest one. What majority people will use it actually.
Mm-hmm.
In the
Okay.
earlier chapters, we have given input, right? I mentioned that the whole chapter for this separately, so that's what we are here actually.
Okay.
Yeah,
So it's we define a variable here. Is that correct as no input?
so yeah, you can first just make sure your IT or IPython notebook has the new given the new name. Yeah, and yeah, we can.
You can give like input out. Okay, raw input is it takes only the string we need to convert into whatever we need.
Yeah. So in the earlier we have understood typecasting, right? So whatever we give
Hmm.
here, it will take string only. Only after we convert into whatever type we want, it will convert actually. Okay. So that's what this meant to say.
Hmm.
Yeah. Just
Yes.
please give some input data. Yeah.
Yeah.
McAfee you're using or what?
Yeah, McAfee in the very start, like long ago, I installed, but it's saying like that my free
Yeah. Okay.
it expired.
Yeah. So basically, what I understood is the raw input is outdated. So I think we should use this second option called input actually. Maybe the current version of Python is not taking this raw input option. Yeah.
Okay,
So
let's
that's what I
try.
remember. Yeah. Yeah. You got it right.
Yeah, exactly. Yes.
Yeah. Please give your name or my name or whatever name you want.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So that's what. So whatever you give, it will come into string type only. Please give the number 10.
Mm-hmm.
It will again print you string only. Got it right? So this is the logic here.
Mm.
When we give integer, it will count into string because input is a string actually.
Yeah, so how we can convert these
Yeah, just put y is equal to int open brackets, put that input. Or okay, let's put like here. Y is equal to I
x
think input x.
int of x.
Yeah, that's it.
Y is equal to, is that correct?
Yes, true. Now you have to print y, right? Then you give that statement.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
You got it?
8 minute, 8 minute.
Okay. Yeah, got
Yeah,
it right? Yeah.
another one is, yeah.
Cool. Now we understand the entire concept, right? The same concept as here.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Hmm. Yeah, int cannot convert j into the integer. Yeah, got it.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So x equal to type of x. So it will take only the string as input
Yes.
for
Yeah.
input and input for both.
Yeah. No, I
Okay.
think the whole document are stating. Yeah, I think in the if you see right, raw input function of Python 2 is renamed as input function of Python 3. Now it is version of Python 3 actually here.
Okay.
So that's what it's meant to say.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Or input maybe is not available. Yeah. Input behaves same as a raw input. Every input value is treated as a string type. That makes sense. Write a program
Yeah,
to
these are all the some function examples.
okay.
Yeah, like we have done, and it's adding. Yeah, because yeah, it's like adding. Like a user has to give some inputs. That's it. It's as simple as possible. It's as simple as it.
Just addition program instead of declaring in the starting, it's just a write quickly once.
Yeah, yeah. Please write. We have to practice everything so that we get some better
Yeah, yeah.
understanding and
Mm-hmm.
Have you observed that one, right?
Yeah, 34 instead
Because
of
it is
7.
string.
Yes, yes.
String will concatenate actually, not it will add.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah, it will concatenate. So if I want to change it to that, mm,
You have to put
what
int. Yeah.
should we? Let's see how it works. Oops, concatenating. Um, int of a.
No. The thing is that it is not. It is actually taking the values of a is equal to input, b is equal to input only. You have to
Yes, yes.
define that one. Like int a, int b, you have to give assign to some variables. Okay, let's try.
Okay.
Let's try this way. Give some c. Give some d. Give some x. Yeah. Give some y.
Mm.
Now, let's put the z. Don't remove. Keep it as it is. Keep it as it
Okay.
is. A plus b. Now come down. Just z is equal to x plus y. Just do that. Okay. Now print z.
So it will print 29 and 11,
Yeah, no.
everything.
Print z. Print z. No. You have
Okay,
to
okay,
give
okay.
print z.
Hmm.
Print z and print type. That's one. Like print c, print type c. Right. You have to do this one as well.
Mm-hmm. So one is int, another is string.
Yeah. I think you have to stop it and start again. Yeah.
Hmm.
You got it right? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, 11 and 8 is string.
So that's the logic here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, perfect example. Mix of all. I duplicate the implemented from the keyboard and what is this?
Yeah. So basically, it is taking the employee data.
Then,
For example, for your onboarding only. For example,
mm-hmm.
you're onboarding to a new company and it's taking your employee number, employee name, and because employee salary has to be in float, right? Because you will get some zero, some x point x, and so it's taking
Yes,
float
yes.
value.
Yeah.
And address has to be in string, and it's taking input value. Are you married or not? Because it's true or false, and it's taking boolean value. And employee number has to be
Mm-hmm.
integer, hence it is converting into, because it's a combination of typecasting with int, float, and string and boolean. That's what the all
Yeah.
means.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, all kind of
Yeah, all
operators.
kind of operators. That's what it's meant to say. But anyway, you will give string only, but you'll convert into respect to things.
Mm.
Yeah, that's what it's meant to say. If you want to, you can
Yeah.
otherwise just see the example.
No, yeah, no, I can see. Just they are declaring,
Yeah,
but they
declaring.
are
That's it. Yeah.
what, that's it. Yeah. And printing.
Uh, this is again one of the beauty of Python.
Hmm.
Okay,
How?
so the line number one is actually a list. Okay, regarding that statement, you will see more into the chapter called list data structures. Okay,
Okay.
for now, let's assume this is the way we can give two numbers at a time. For example, can you please go up? Can you please go up? Go up, go up. Okay,
Here
go.
we can see.
Okay, yeah. Here you are giving two numbers, right? For example, okay, let's see your code. Let's see your code first. Let's see your code. Your
Okay.
yeah. You're declaring two variables in two different lines. Okay, and
Yes.
here you're declaring two variables in a single line. That's what it is meant to say.
Okay.
What does it mean says is, okay, in the earlier chapters we have seen a comma b is equal to 10 comma 20, right?
Yes.
You're giving directly. Here you're giving in the runtime actually. That's the difference. In the runtime, how you can give is this way.
Okay.
Let me explain you briefly. A comma B, you know, right? The closing
Yeah.
brackets, integer
Two
x.
variables.
Yeah, integer x means it is converting into int type.
Okay.
Okay, next for x in input, which means it is iterating your two numbers, what you are giving. Because you are giving two numbers, right? 10 comma
Uh,
20. Yeah.
yes, yes, yeah. Two numbers for the two variables.
Yeah, two variables. And dot split.
Mm.
Split is again the new function you will come to know in the coming chapters. Okay, which means, for example, you are giving 10 20, right? At 10 20,
Mhm.
the string will split into two numbers. That's what it is meant to say. For
Okay.
example, you are giving string. It will split this, will convert that string into two variables separately. You will come to know in the coming chapters. For now, just try with this one. Okay.
Yeah. So got it. Yeah, I need to try how I
Yes.
can give two bits at a time.
Yeah.
I'm just blindly typing this. Just I want to check
Yeah. No
once.
problem. No problem. You will come to understand this in future chapters.
Yeah, yeah.
This is the way you will get how you will get numbers. See, you
Hmm.
have to give two numbers here. Yeah. 10,
Do,
give
do I need
space.
to give okay.
Just space, that's it. 20 or whatever. Yeah. Now enter. You got it right?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Because it is converting an integer and it is adding it. So 10 plus 10.
Hmm.
That's what it is. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You got it right?
Mm-hmm. Sorry, sorry.
Yeah.
And hitting enter.
No problem. No problem. No problem.
So into so for example, if I don't give here int directly a comma b equal to
Yeah.
uh, uh,
Just try with that one then.
yeah x.
Just copy paste that one and try. Remove index.
What is this?
A comma
It's
B.
not
Give the list. Yeah.
it close it right.
Yeah.
But why this is
Well, because it doesn't exist actually. You have to give in that way only.
Okay. Hmm. So we need to remember this for this a comma b equal. So only integers we can give in this case. If we want, we need to convert again here
No, no. If
separate.
you see second example, you can give even float also. Float,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. So anyway, anything you can give.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah.
In this case, I need to give here string.
Basically, it's a typecasting. So like what we have given earlier, it's like this. Yeah. Give 10 or 10 only. Yeah. Whatever. Yeah.
Yeah, anyways, it's string, right? So
Yeah. So
why?
it's like YH. Got it right? Yeah.
Hmm. Okay. So okay, anything we need to define with here in the statement with the typecasting first
Yeah.
and later for input for x. The string of x in input. Okay, split. Okay, yeah, I need to remember that's it here.
Yes. Yeah.
Hmm. Eval function takes the string and evaluates a result. Element of x. Ooh.
Yeah.
So evaluate takes the string. It takes only the string and it evaluates whether it is a string or whatever, and it will.
Yeah. Yeah. It will take this thing and it will give the result actually. Which means
Okay,
it will give the
okay.
integer. That's what I was understanding by this.
Hmm?
It actually give the integer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to check here once. I
Yeah.
just to go with
No,
one
no, not
example.
only integer, but it will give anything.
Hmm.
But it will take the string. That's what it is meant to say.
Okay, yeah, it takes a string. Hmm.
Yeah, that's it.
What it will give? It will give 5u or else error. Error. String in the module. Name u is not defined.
Maybe it will take the integers only. I think so. Integers number only. I think so. That's what I'm expecting.
Mhm. Yeah,
Yeah, it will
that's
take in the integers. Yeah, in a string format.
mm-hmm.
You got it right? Yeah.
Yes. Evaluate input as list tuple set etc. based on provided input. Can evaluate the input to the list. Okay, yeah, that's command line argument.
Yeah. So basically, this is also at the runtime. So like for example, we give in the this command lines, right? Original command lines. So this is what it is actually. For example, you have write a code in Python file, okay, and we'll give
Okay.
in our command line arguments. That's what it is meant to say.
So sorry, can you repeat one
For
more time?
example, we use one iter. We use
Okay.
one iter called PyCharm or something. You know, right? PyCharm.
Okay. Hmm.
So that is, and you named it file as the test.py file. Okay.
Okay.
And in the command line interface, CMD, you can give that
Hmm.
Python file name with that respect to commands.
Python file name with respect to commands.
Inputs. Python file with respect to inputs. For example, you want to add 3 digits. So you're giving in the
Okay.
10, 20, 30 like this actually. You can give in this way also. That's what it's meant to say.
Oh, okay, okay. We can give directly like this from the command line argument.
Yeah.
Okay.
We can write logic in the inside the file, and you can give the file name test.py with the commands like this
Mm-hmm.
10, 20, 30. That's what it is saying.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, like need to understand even more on this.
Yeah, no problem. For now, this is not important because we were not writing in any file, that's why we cannot comment on this one. Yeah, but no problem. If we
Mm-hmm.
move forward, it will have better understanding. You see, not everything is important in our work. Okay, so you have to learn what is
Yes.
necessary is
Mm.
important. That's it.
Yeah. Awesome. Okay.
Yeah, in the same. All these examples will come into that picture only, so we can move forward for now. We can skip for now. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, output statement.
Yes. Yeah. See, print in the sense we know, right? Without the print function, we cannot print objects, right? That's what it's saying actually. Output statement is nothing but print.
Mm. Yeah, we see the output with the print
Yeah,
statement.
that's what it's saying actually. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, these we use all the time.
We can use different ways how we can print statement, the hello plus hello comma. These are different
Mm-hmm.
examples actually.
Okay. Hello plus means it will concatenate.
Okay,
Concatenate.
minus means it will give space. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we'll see. Star means it will give the 10 times, right?
Yeah.
It will print 10 times. Here we can see one thing. So slash in means it will hello in one line and bold in another line.
Yes, let's try. Even I forget
Slash
that.
t. Yeah, slash t means it will give the tab space.
Yeah.
We can try quickly the small examples.
I think it is plus, right? It is showing. I think it's don't double quotes after slash and. Okay, let's try.
No.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's in the new line. Yeah.
Yeah. Space.
Yeah, cool. So it is every yeah, because here every character is a string, even space is a string.
Yeah. After the statement slash and or something, command it will
Yeah,
tab
tab
one tab.
space. Yeah, one
Hmm.
tab. Because it's always space here, hello after hello, and hence it is adding one more.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah, because it is string is converting into three times. Yeah.
Hmm. Mhm. Don't get me down. Okay, yeah, good.
Yeah, so you are used to write, so here giving input values now. Yeah. So
Mm.
all these are will be adding in the coming chapter. That's what the magic of this document. Yeah.
Okay.
Step by step, one by one. Yeah.
Mm. May golden separate. Okay. Okay, separate function we are using here. No, here again. Yeah, separate is the big step.
Yeah. This is another interesting thing. Uh,
Yeah.
if you want outputs, multiple outputs the same way, then you can give end this one. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, this one. So it will take the next line output to previous line.
Yes. Yes. That's true.
Okay. Hmm.
Yeah. Yeah. So what does Mendes is we can give any objects like list or data, list or tuples or even set. That's what it is meant to say. Because again, for all the
Okay.
different print statements, what we can give in the print value. Okay. There is no
Hmm.
limitations like we have to give only list or tuple. Okay. Yeah. We can give
Yeah.
in this way as well. Again, tuple is a new chapter. It will come in the coming chapters after list.
Yeah.
Tuple is a data structure. It's similar to list with some modifications, with some new rules.
Hmm. But tuple is open, list is closed.
Yep. So that's what it will come. Same line. Yeah, you're trying good combinations actually. It's good actually.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Let's continue our. Please share your screen.
Oh, sorry.
So where are we?
So yes, yeah, print statements
Yeah.
with the different.
I think we are almost complete. Let's complete this one. I think the next chapter is your favorite chapter, which is flow controls. Yeah. Yeah. Let's complete this one now. Yeah. If we go down, we see
Okay.
almost we are end of this chapter. Anyways.
Yeah, we can go through quickly.
Yeah.
String register is equal to Python print of. Okay, got it. So whatever it will ask the input.
Yeah. So percentage 10 float. These are all the percentage variable list. So it is very important. Sometimes, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It will give what integer you are giving for it. This is called formatted string. Yeah. So you have to follow this syntax when you're giving some values in the print statement.
Okay.
Percentage 10, percentage yes, percentage f, like that.
So what is this? It will do here if we give only statement like in the in the string as a is a value, and if we give a percentile a, okay, percentile a means it don't take. If we give just a, it will take 10.
Yeah.
Mhm.
No, I think it's something. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll check
Yeah, we'll
once.
check. We'll check. I think, see, whatever it is in the double close, it is actually a string. So it will print the a value is percentage I. It will print the particular value.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, syntax percentage it means percentage. Okay, the syntax itself is it why it's not taking, but here it will take directly, right? Yes. Okay, yes. Okay, one second.
Yeah. Please try. Please try. Acha, acha, got it. So basically, it's a formatting the string. It is percentage I means it's integer. Percentage D means it is int. Percentage float means it is converting into float. Percentage S means it is converting into string type. So that's what it's meant to say. Got it.
No, actually, I did not get. If you see here, it will print the same thing.
Yeah.
A is one.
Now, okay, okay, okay. Now give. What is that means? I didn't.
Now see, oops.
Not all arguments counted during string formatting. It is quite. Yeah, that's what I was confusing because the syntax is itself somewhat it's here is not.
Mm-hmm.
Acha, acha, got it. Yeah, got it.
Percentile I
Now I understood. Now I
how
understood.
it is
Now I
taking
remember
the
actually.
string.
Yeah. So what
Mm-hmm.
does it means is, for example,
Mm.
okay, can you please go up? Can you please go up? Yeah. So percentage I, which means it's integer. Please remember this. Okay.
Yes.
Now come down. Come down. So, document. Okay. Now
Mm.
percentage I, which means integer, right? So now
Mm.
percentage A, which means whatever value you are there for A, it will convert into integer and it will print that statement. A value is 10. That's what it is meant to say. It is taking that value in that way.
Okay.
Okay. Let's say, for example, put percentage D in place of percentage I. You will get A is 1.0. Definitely, I can say. That is for sure.
Percentage F.
D. I think, can you please go up? Can you please go up the document?
No, D means
Oh, integer.
integer.
Okay. Percentage F. Yeah, percentage F. Yeah, you got
Yeah,
it right? It's
code
contained
value.
float.
Yeah.
So that's what it is meant to, it's saying actually.
Okay. Okay. What is other like percentages? Okay. String A is one string, but yeah, we can give type of A, so it will give. Yeah, and okay, it's taken directly here. Yeah, got it.
Right?
Mm.
Yes, that's the magic here is. Okay.
Yeah, it's a tricky. It looks easy,
Yeah.
tricky.
Yeah. But what I observed here is this is mostly used argument in real time actually. Even when I do my master's degree, even my one of my subject professor used this type of syntax very often.
Okay.
Yeah.
If they're using very often, then that's good. We can easily remember.
Yeah, that's
But if
true. Yeah.
we study and if we don't use, we will forget. I
Forget.
will
Yeah.
forget for sure.
No. Everybody, that's the memory secret of thing. See, even though if see, for example, if you there's a technique in the real life also. If you are using one phone number very frequently, you will remember that number. Otherwise, you will forget that number.
Exactly.
Yeah. Even for example, in my job, I used to do always that I am cross account access like this. I remember everything where the code, where is the account number, everything I remember. But if I don't do it frequently, I
Mm-hmm.
will forget that one as well. So that's the magic here.
Yeah, frequently.
Yeah, frequently is most important part here, definitely.
Mm.
Yeah. So if you can try, you can try. This little bit will get all the knowledge here only.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. With operator, yeah. Dot format operator actually.
Okay.
It's called replacement operator.
Replacement operator name. Salary. NGF. Hello, Durga. Okay, 0, 1, 2. Taking. Okay, then the first input it's taking as 0, second input as 1, third input as 2. Okay. Okay, then okay, here it is taking.
Yeah.
If we salary here, it will print salary here.
So zero will take name and one will take
Yeah.
salary and two will take the GF.
Yeah, whatever we define here, the
Uh,
format,
it will take 0, 1, 2
it
exactly.
will take, yeah, it will take in that way.
Yeah.
If we give reverse salary, it will print the salary. Hello, salary, and your salary is reverse. Whatever we give the series, it will go in this way.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay. Hmm. Okay, here he's defining instead of 0, 1, 2, he's defining xy and defining x equal to y equal to z equal to, okay.
Yeah. So that's
Mm.
what the end of the input output statements. Tomorrow is the
Mhm.
most beautiful chapter, flow control. You can start tomorrow.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, this is the thing.
Okay, let me stop the recording
Okay.
once. Okay,
Yes.
you can just
Mhm.
talk for 5 minutes and you can talk.